everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. I hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty hot here in BC. It's running around 30 to 35 Celsius, so you're looking at over 100 degrees. And most of the houses do not have air conditioning, so we're working off of turbo fans and stuff like that, so it is cooling a little bit, but we'll see what happens. Alright, so today I have an unboxing from Peoples, and they're in Canada. Comes in a little bag like this. They have pretty good selection there, peoples.ca. I was trying to find a necklace to go with my Pandora charm holder, and I looked at some from Pandora, but I thought I would try to see if Peoples had something maybe similar or something a little wider, because I was trying to find a rope necklace, and they're pretty hard to find. I was really surprised. So I was able to pick this up. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, pretty simple. Alright, that's inside. Come in a box like this. Says Peoples on it. Pretty cool. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway when I hit 500 subscribers, so you definitely want to ring the bell so you don't miss out on videos and announcements or whatever else I get into. And please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. Alright, and I'm going to be having a requested video from a couple of subscribers. They wanted a little bit more information on Fendi monsters. So look forward to that. I'm going to be explaining what they are, what they kind of look like. There's a variety of them, where to get them, the best pricing, etc. So definitely subscribe and share and like and all that fun stuff. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got. Okay. Come in a little silver pouch like that. That's pretty cool. And that says Peoples on it. Alright. And I'm going to be having some Disney hauls, so make sure that you check that out when that happens. Probably this week or next week. I did win a giveaway, so that was pretty cool. And Betty was able to finally find my satchel, so I'm like just so excited about it. So she's going to be doing a couple of live shopping. I wanted to get a few more items, and then she's going to ship it out. So can't wait. I've been waiting a long time. It sold out, never came back, and she just found it last week. So I was like, oh my gosh, you found it. Like, yeah, yahoo! Alright, so this is 20-inch. I'm just going to focus. Pretty sparkly, silver. It has a regular clasp on it. Kind of see it that way. There we go. And it's really super sparkly, so I thought this was a little bit better alternative to the Pandora one. And it was similar to the same pricing, so see, it's like really sparkly. Yeah, very cool. Alright, so I'll be putting a picture on Instagram, so make sure you follow me there. I'm Susan Senior Style. Alright, so that is my necklace unboxing for today from People's Jewelers. I hope everybody's staying safe. And until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks again for watching and supporting my channel. Bye now.